Good morning, children. How are you all? And how did you write your exams? Hope you are done well, I feel. So, after the exams, we'll start our the next chapter from Gulmaha. That is 5 Children and I. Unit 4, 5 Children and I. See, this is written by Edith Nesbly. So here the 5 children, okay, 5 children and it. It refers to one animal, okay, it. I'll read the lesson. Keep the fingers on the words where I read. Unit 4, 5 Children and it. Cyril, Andre, Robert, Jane, and the baby called the lamb live in the London. See who are Cyril, Cyril, Andrea, Robert, Jane, and small baby, that is lamb. They are referred as lamb in this. They all lived in, where they lived? In London. They lived in London. But their parents take them to stay in the countryside during the summer. So, as you all, during summer vacation, they used to take to the village. London is a city and they are living in the city. When the summer, how you will go to the village, isn't it, to your grandparents' house? Your parents are, if they are working, they leave you in the village with the grandparents and they come back and they do that livelihood, isn't it? Got it? No. During vacation, these children used to go to the countryside. Countryside means the village. The idea of staying in the countryside was wonderful for the children who were used in rows of dull grey houses and dull grey streets with nowhere to go. So, as you go here, your life will be like a mission. Morning you'll get up, you'll take bath, you'll refresh yourself and go to school. And later on, during holidays, weekends, you go out for something. Evenings, all you go outing or for shopping like that. Nowhere means at least you go to the park. But if you go to the village, can you find the same? No, you will not be having the same. So, everything, they get up late. Here you get up at 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock, means there they get up at 9 o'clock, like that. Because they don't have, they have their own job. They go to farm to do the work. So, whenever they want, they'll go and they'll do the job. Here it is not like that, isn't it? The time punctuality will be there. Okay, as these children go to the countryside, to the village, what they will do, it is all dull, like they get up late and the streets are not so, and all houses will be like huts. Somewhat dull feeling. It will not be as active as in the city. With nowhere to go. However, their father had to go away on business and their mother had to go away too. So, father and mother, there is no other option there. The parents are going out to work. These children will be alone at home, so they will leave to the village. Cook and Martha look after them, but the children quickly grow a brick gravel pit. While digging, they saw across a strange creature. So one day what happened? What to do? Nowhere. Just they were digging near the seashore. Near the seashore, they were digging just. And immediately they saw a strange, means now monkey means you have seen, dog, cat, everything you have seen. It's not strange for you. Every day you will be seeing, or somewhere you will be seeing cow, like that. If something you have not seen in the picture also, now elephant, tiger, all you have seen in a picture, isn't it? But one thing which you have not seen, you will be amazed. What is this? Like that. Okay, it is a strange creature. Read on to find out about their amazing adventure. So, we'll see how they did with the creature. It's alive. Anthena screamed, help, it will get away. So as soon as they saw the creature, they were digging the gravel pit. Just they were digging like this. They saw a string and they saw. Anthena said, see, this is all very important, who said to whom. Okay, Anthena said, it's alive. It's not dead. Alive opposite is dead. Alive opposite is dead. It's alive. What have you found? Demanded Robert. A rat. What you saw? What you have found out means what you saw? A rat. Perhaps it is a snake, said Jane. So each one is saying something. Now Robert said, whether he has seen a rat. Jane is saying, no, it may be snake. Jane says, no, it's snake. Shuddering means with afraid, shuddering. No, said Anthea. No, it's not snake also, it is not a rat also. It's too big for a rat and too furry for a snake. It is, rat means it will be very small, it is very big. Compare, it is too big, it's bigger than a rat and furry. This full snake body is hairs. The full furry it is. It is not like slight body, nice body, soft body. It is furry. It's got hand and feet and it spoke to me. Anthea said it is having hand and feet also and it is able to talk. It is talking. Leave me alone, said a husky voice. Means with a low and if you somebody close your mouth and you want to talk, that voice will be different, isn't it? When you wear the mask and talk, that voice will be different. So that is like husky voice, low and rough. Okay, it is angry also and it is unable, it is afraid also. So leave me alone, said a husky voice, making them all jump back and their hearts jumped nearly as fast as they did. As they heard the voice, leave me alone, these children got afraid and went back. Means they ran little further back. Please, come out, Anthea said into the hole. It was, they were digging, no? It went inside that hole. So Anthea put her head on near the hole and said, "Please come back. We want to see you. Who is you?" "I wish you would. I wish you would. I want to see you." "Oh, well, if that's your wish," said the voice. See, the word wish. If you want to see me, it is your wish, said out of the hole wrinkled a fat, furry brown creature. So, this is your wish. So, the one creature came out of the hole. So a voice came out of this one, and a creature came out. How was it? The hole wrinkled a fat, furry, brown creature. Fat, furry, brown creature. It was about the size of a large cat. A big cat, if it is there, so big cat it was. See how the creature has been described. It is large like a cat, with arms, legs and feet, and hands like a monkey. Hands, arms, this arms. Okay, arms, leg, feet. Which it is resembling? It is resembling a monkey. Body is like big cat. Arms, hands, legs and feet like monkey. Like monkey. Long whiskers and pointed ears like bat's eyes. Bats means, Bauli we say in Kannada. So, long whiskers, the hairs here. Okay, the cat will be having, or the rats all will have, even bat will be having long whiskers and a pointed ears like a bat. Its eyes were on stalks like a snail horns, means somewhat fat, like, okay, like a snail's horns, and eyes was like this, stalk. Okay, stalk like a snail's horns, and it could stretch or shorten them. It could stretch or shorten. It can make it big or it can make small. "Can we take it home?" asked Jane. "Can we take it home? Shall we take it home?" The creature turned its long stalked eyes to get good look at the herd. Jane asked, "Okay, shall we take this creature to home?" And the creature turned like this, the eyes, and saw a good look. "Doesn't she always talk nonsense?" it asked. Does she talk always nonsense? Whether she's having this one, what nonsense she is talking? Okay, she doesn't mean to, said Auntie gently. "We don't hurt you. Don't be afraid." No, it is not like that. We wish you to take home. We do not harm you. We will look after you carefully and properly. Okay, gently, with soft voice. And it doesn't mean like that. We won't hurt you. Don't be afraid. "Afraid," replied the creature indignantly. "So, afraid, me, don't you know a smeed when you see one?" Okay, that is me. Don't you know a smeed when you see one? A Spaniard, replied Auntie. "What's that?" "A sand fairy in English," it said crossly. "Now go away." It wrinkled down into the sand again. It is, you don't know. P is silent, children. Smaded. 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 Okay. Sammy dead. What is it? Sammy add. Repeated and 3. What's that? What do you mean by Sammy add? It's a fairy, sand fairy. In a water, the fairy will be there. In the sky, fairy will be there, isn't it? One who fulfills our wish. In fairy tales, all you would have seen. A fairy comes with a star, holding a stick, a star, and she will do the magic and the wish will fulfill, like that. Okay, it is an imaginary one. So here, the sand fairy. I am a sand fairy. You are talking about afraid. No at all. I am not afraid of anyone. I am a sand fairy. It said crossly. Now go away. Enough, enough. Now you wish that you want to see me. You saw me. Now you go. It again wrinkled. It went inside the hole again. Please don't go, said Robert. Please don't go. You are the most wonderful thing I have ever seen. You are so good, so nice. I have never seen like this creature at all. The two talking one, I never seen. You don't go, please. The sand fairy smoothed its long rat like whisker and smiled. So it smoothed like this, the whisker, and said, "How long have you been here?" said Robert. Smile, it smiled like so. Robert asked, "From how many years you are here? How long have you been here?" Means from how many years you are in this sand? Ages. Many years ago I am here, said the Smanad. Sammy and so from many years I am here. Thousands of years. I am here from thousands of years. Where are the other Samites? Where are the other Samites? asked the Robert. The Samites' head and whisker dropped. It bended. When he asked, when Robert asked, where are the other, your mother, father, or your relatives? Where are other Samites? Immediately, it bent its head. It is very sad. I cannot say it is very sad. The children used to build castle on the beaches for us to live in, but they would dig moats around them and that nasty sea would rush in. So the small children used to dig the pit. Okay, and they used to give the path like this. Path like this. When the water comes and it fills this pit. Okay, now these children has dug the pit, no? Like this, many children used to come and they used to dig the home for us, build a castle and our home for us. And they used to give a way. And when dig a moat around them. So they used to build a castle and they used to dig. Now, if you go to the beach side, what you will do? You will build a castle like this. Okay. And around that you build a one round shape. Isn't it? So, when the water rushes here, the water enters the castle. The water enters the castle. Rushes in. Would rush in. Wasn't they funny? Asked. What is this? They build a castle. And if the water comes in, what will happen? Wasn't that funny? Fun, said the Samit. We are delicate creatures. We are so delicate. When the water rushes to us, we are about to die. If we get wet, we catch cold and die. When the water rushes inside, we will get the cold and we will die. So there were fever and fever of us, and it means we are reducing. When like that happens, many sammets will die and become fever. Fever means not this fever. Means it will reduce. The population of the sammets will be reducing. Now, goodbye. So this he said, now okay, I am going. Goodbye. Please stay, said the children, and Jane added, can you grant us wish like a real fairy? So it asked, oh, you are a fairy, no? Can you give us one wish? Okay, can you give me some wishes and go? Oh, I just did it, said. You wished I would come out and I did. So, what you wished, I did it? No, just now I did it. No. What was the wish? The Andrew was asked to come out. I want to see you, it said. It is my wish you come out. So, the creature came out. So, it said, now, you wished no to see me. So, I came out. That was only the wish. Oh, please, can we have another one? Oh, that is all. Will you give me another wish? Will you do another wish? If you must, it is grumpily, but hurry up about it. So, if you must, without in a good mood, grumpily means without having any this one. Okay, you are asking, I want to fulfill any wish. Okay, be fast. What wish you want? You say. Please, said the angry. Remember a wish that she and Jane had talked about. We wished we were very, very beautiful. So, before seeing the summit, they were thinking, if we were beautiful, like still more beautiful, how was it? So, the Andre was now wishing. No, Jane is wishing. Please, said Andre, remembering a wish of the she and Jane are talked about. Now Andre said, she remembered that Jane said, if we were so beautiful, we are not so beautiful now. If we were so beautiful, how nice it was. So she remembered that. Okay, we wish we were very, very beautiful. Now we want to become very beautiful. So I'll stop there and I'll give the dictation words. You start writing that, children. Hard words. Creature. You write this hard words 5 times, children. Second, thousands. Third, stretch. TCH. Stretch. Samade. Samade. Yum. Okay. P-S-A-M-M-E-A-D. Sammead. Gently. Gently. Sixth. Grumpily. G-R-U-M-P-I-L-Y. Smoothen. S-M-O-O-T-H-E-D. Smoothen. Screened. Screened. Shuddering. S-H-U-D-D-E-R-I-N-G. Shuddering. Demanded. Okay. Copy this, children. Write this 5 times. Okay. I'll meet you in the next class. I'll repeat. Creature, thousands, stretch, sammead, gently, grumpily, smoothed, screamed, shuddering, demanded. Okay, children, copy this, learn the spellings properly. Okay, have a nice day.